So go ahead and leave. Yeah, that's your best bet. That was your best bet. You be getting awfully mouthy on camera.
You think you're a man with that gun in your hand, don't you?
Get away from everything that has you down, boy. Tired of being soft, should see through your eyes. Never talk behind your back, only hit it from the back. I'm always on your side. So I still take your stories, and I think you try to get some more time. Yeah. No cancels like we take the flight. That makes me weak. I do it to make life easier. I feel part alien, cause when
You gotta be careful now.
things that you do. How's that fair? How's that fair? When you fall down, I'm right there. How's that fair? How's that fair? When you fall down.
Yeah, it's my court. You knew better than to play me. Just give me the court, man. Cause I got a for real get. I for real got a hoop.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Got me. I'm the only one who got me. I'm the only one who got me. I'm the only one who got me. Rest. That's what I need for my mind. Them things I left. Way back in the behind. That boy been stressed. I've been sitting up crying. I feel a mess. Them tears still ain't drying. All of these thoughts are mine. And these thoughts are dying. Sometimes there's only two options. And I'm stuck on one. One more is left. Unless them stars get even. And if them stars align, will it all be fine? I doubt it. I tried to change the destination. The reroute got rerouted. They be doing what they want to do. And that's only cause you allow it. And I will not allow it. Come and see me now. We could just say we're shy. I'm the only one who got me. I'm the only one who got me.
What's the building to do that?
And I'm not being cocky. I'm the only one who got me.
Rewind that.
No.
We gotta rewind that.
We made one shot. We made one shot. No, you can't.
They seen it's been recording. They know how many shots I made. They know how many shots I made. Between me and you. Between you and I. You know. You know and I know that we know and she know it. Hey, I'm Vino. Cappuccino. I put coffee in my cappuccino.
Hey, I see myself.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dang. Who, do y'all see anybody on the camera who knocked him down, or am I tripping? I must be tripping.
Delete that.
Nah.
No, delete it.
He got his shot blocked by a ghost.
Hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Don't let that ghost block your shot again.
Nothing more the same when you done set it all. My little baby Jada Pink, the way she bout to set it all. Tell it all, pull it all till bitch go ball. Dance her dick got disco ball. Pick it up, tell it all ball. That's the way that this one go. Doing things that no one knows. Another one bites the dust, but this one hit the road. Ashes on my pants, I still don't understand. Acting like a boy like supposed to turn you to a man. That's the things we go through, we still gotta take a stance. Still gotta make a stand, they still don't understand.